Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be changing the oil in a 2008 Cadillac CTS 4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. So on your vehicle, you may have a shield that goes over here. On this vehicle, we do not have a shield. It may be held in with 10mm bolts all around, so keep that in mind. Wheel our drain bucket over. We're going to take a 15mm wrench and loosen up the drain plug. Just lined up. Pull the drain plug out. Let it drain out. Put our drain plug back in. Use our 15mm wrench. And you're just gonna snug it up a little bit. Not too much. We're gonna take a rag and wipe the excess oil away. Looks good. We're going to pull this cover off. Take this oil cap off. Lift on the cover and pull it out. Our oil filter is right here. We're going to take this filter out. We use a 15/16 socket, extension, and a ratchet. Loosen it up. I'm going to pull this housing out. Flip it up. Take our old filter out, just pull straight up. Before I put a new filter on, there's an O-ring right here. You can take two fingers and push together. You can use a right angle pick, get underneath there, twist it out. Keep in mind that that O-ring was in this groove, closest to this wall of the housing. You do not want to put the O-ring in this groove, otherwise it'll leak oil everywhere. So take the new O-ring, slip it on. Make sure it's in that groove, like I said. And we'll take the filter. Doesn't matter which way it goes, up or down. Just push it on until it locks in. It's good to put it back in the car. All right, we're going to reinstall this. Use our socket and extension. You don't want to tighten this too much. The torque spec is actually 25 Newton meters, so just snug. So we use the torque wrench. You don't have to, just snug it up, not too tight. All right, we're going to put our funnel in. Start pouring in our oil. This car takes a synthetic 5W30 oil, full synthetic. So this 3.6 liter engine requires about 7.2 quarts of oil. Pull the funnel. Check my oil one more time. As you can see, the oil is up to the hash marks, so that is good. If it was down at the lower end of the dipstick, you'd have to add oil. Install. We'll reinstall our cover. Slide it on. Push it down and install our cap. So we're gonna go to reset the oil life. You're gonna hit the little I button with the car, and that'll bring you to where it says oil life remaining. This one's 53%. And then we're gonna take the check box. We're gonna hold down on the check, and then it went to 100%.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.